What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on this crypto called REN, which has pumped up over 20% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just about 10 cents guys. So we're going to be going through its next potential target. Is it going to pump even higher? Is it going to drop back down in value? And mainly looking at, is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Should you sell it, or should you just hold on to it before it goes even higher? We're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and essentially looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can this crypto go, and can it potentially hit the dollar mark anytime soon? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is down just about 0.5% in the last 24 hours, and we got REN as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, we managed to drop just about 0.5%. However, overall it is still up 21%, with quite a major peak here earlier this morning and going on into this afternoon as well. Over the week 19%, and over the month 71% up guys. So quite consistently gaining value over the last 4 weeks with minimal dips in between, but overall it has been performing quite well and gaining a decent amount of value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see that the trading volume has also gone up by over 600% in the last 24 hours, making it $113 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on REN. We're seeing a lot more investors, a lot more sellers selling out the cryptocurrencies and taking out their profits, and a lot of people holding it. However, the trading volume has gone up majorly guys, meaning there's a lot more people who are interested into crypto, obviously because it has been gaining a lot of attention over the last 12 to 14 hours when it started pumping up in value earlier this morning. So yes, we are going to have more investors and in general just a lot of traders. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of REN, which is at 0.08508. However, it is trading at much higher value here in green at nearly hitting 11 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer guys, as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So let's say by midday tomorrow, I am expecting REN to have taken a little bit of a drop, potentially trading around the 0.095 cents target is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. However, that doesn't stop it from pumping over the coming hours, over the next couple of hours, before it drops back down in value. So I am expecting it to head about to 12 cents before it slowly starts to drop back down in value to between 9 and 10 cents in target by midday tomorrow. So do expect it to be volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. And to be honest, that was expected. Only reason is because obviously it's dropped quite a bit. It's pumped up so much in value over the last couple of hours, 12-14 hours, that it's going to go through a little bit of a drop, a little step back, and so on. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're still looking very bullish guys. We've got the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the positive direction, and we've got the blue line flat out going in a straight line, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from REN over the coming 7 to 8 days. So let's say by the end of next week, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from REN, potentially heading to around the 15 cents target is what I'm expecting. Nothing major, but slow and steady increases in value is what we want to see. That's probably what we're gonna get as well by the end of next week, if the crypto market is still, you know, managing to stay on the green side. However, that does not mean that it's going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Do expect drops in between as well. It's likely to drop down to about 9 cents in target, and then potentially slowly and steadily increase in value to about 14 to 15 cents towards the end of next week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking much more positive. We've got the blue and the orange line heading towards the bullish direction, looking quite positive, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected over the coming weeks. So in this case, I'm talking about over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So let's say end of March, early April 2023, we should be seeing REN trading over the 20 cents target. Again, 20 cents may seem like a major increase, but guys, if we manage to give it a good 6 to 8 weeks, so early April, mid-April, I am expecting, you know, at least 20 cents in target, or even much higher than that. Of course, depending on how the crypto market performs. For example, if there's a major crypto crash or a major bull run and a price bump, these things can have a major positive or negative impact, not just on the value of REN, but the whole crypto market in general. But anything like that which I can predict, I will of course keep you guys updated and let you guys know as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone and we are in the lower part of the red zone. For us to hit the green resistance target here, we're going to have to hit 47 cents, which I'm hoping we should be able to hit by mid or second half of the year. So Q3 of 2023 is when I'm expecting REN to be hitting the resistance target and potentially breaking out from the resistance target in Q3 of 2023, and potentially hitting the dollar mark towards the very end of the year is what my expectations are right now. Again, talking about the dollar mark, maybe, you know, it's got a long way to go for that, but if we manage to give it a good 11 months, guys, I'm pretty sure REN should be able to hit the $1 mark without, obviously, if the crypto market goes for a major crash like last year, then of course we can't. But if it's another year like 2021, then of course we will be able to, but again, only time will tell. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on REN, guys. What I want you guys to do now is comment down below your end of year target for this crypto. What is the highest figure REN can hit in 2023? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, it's free to subscribe, so why not go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.